Hello, welcome to Stack Attack. Today we're looking at another Python Stack Overflow question. Does Python have a ternary conditional operator? The short answer is yes, it has one. It's just called something different, which can produce some confusion. And this question was also asked like 16 years ago, so that might make a little more sense. This was like before even Python 3 was released. But basically it's sugar syntax for an if statement. So if you want to do an if statement in one line, you can do that. And here's like the basic format for it. So let's take a look at some code. So we can see here's our ternary operator, and we can set it equal to a variable. Let's explain the code. Like we have a variable num equals 5, and is even will be equal to true if num modulus 2 is 0, else false. So basically, if it's even, this will be true, else it will be false. And then you can also return from a function using a ternary operator. So you can return true if num modulus 2 is 0, else you can return false. And it's also in like most languages. So this is the same code, but in C#. It's pretty similar, but you can see they're using a question mark. And I think a lot of languages use a question mark. I think Python is unique in where it uses like the same if else like formatting, which I actually like a lot, because at the end of the day, it's really just a one-liner if statement. You don't need to like mess the syntax up totally. And we can run this code, and yeah, it's valid Python. It works. There is a ternary operator. Thanks for watching.